Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to see your email address in TikTok. First, you have to tap Open your application. Then, tap on the profile icon located on the bottom right. Now, tap on the menu icon on your top right. Here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, tap on Account. Tap on Account Information. Here, you can see your email right beside Email section. TikTok does not show the complete email due to security and privacy reasons. It will only show you the initial and last character of your email. By tapping on Email, you can change email address and unlink email address as well. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.